guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am going to be doing the I Heart the 90s Project Pan update, and I know I did miss last month's update as well, so this is going to be a 2-month update. Anyways, this project pan was created by Laura. I will have all of the information of this project pan in the description box and everyone else that is doing this project pan, so make sure to go check it out. Anyways, I do have 8 items and I feel like I did pretty well in this project pan. I reached my goals in a lot of these products, so yeah, I'm excited to finally switch it up. So the first prompt, it is no scrubs. It is a product you want to get out of your life. So for this one, I have the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Shady Biz. So it's this one right here. In the past 2 months, I have only used this 26 times. There's hardly any progress. Once again, I really hate bronzer, so I feel like this is actually going to take me longer than a year. Like, it looks like I'm never going to hit pan. Anyways, I will put a picture right here of what it looked like last time that I updated you guys. So yeah, that's that. Okay, and well, my goal is to finish the whole thing up, and that's going to take me another like 300,000 uses. Now let's proceed to the next one, and that one is Jurassic Park, the oldest product in my collection. So for that one, I have the NYC Sugar Plum lipstick. In the past 2 months, I have only used it 32 times. I don't know why I didn't use it more. I mean, I had like a whole 60 something days. But anyways, I used it 32 times, so it's better than nothing. And this is what it looks like now. I'm like so close to finishing this. And I will put a picture right here on the side so you guys can see the difference. So that's what it looks like now. So yeah, that's that. Hopefully I could make some really good progress next month. Okay, now the next prompt, it is the Simpsons, and it is a yellow product or packaging. So for that one, I do have the ColourPop Sunshine palette, and it's this one right here. My goal was to use it 20 times, and in the past 2 months I've used it 13 times, and in total I have used this 24 times. So that makes me really happy. I did reach my goal, and this is what it looks like. It's a really nice neutral palette. Anyways, I'm really happy that I finally reached my goal. So I will be rolling that product out, and at the end of this video I'll roll in another new product and a new prompt. Okay, now the next prompt, it is Goosebumps, something spooky themed. So for that one, I have the Revolution Curses and Hexes palette, and in the past 2 months I have only used it 5 times. Very disappointing. And in total I have used it 15 times. So I still have to use it 5 more times. Hopefully by the next update I could actually reach that goal. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Okay, the next product is and it is a morning routine product. And so for that one, I have the Jeffree Star Cucumber Lip Scrub. This one right here. And in the past 2 months I have only used it 27 times. So I feel like that's pretty good actually. And this is what it looks like inside. I'm really close to finishing this product, and my goal is to finish the whole thing up. Okay, now the next prompt, it is Butterfly Clips, and it is cute packaging. So for that one, I do have another eyeshadow palette, and this one is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Orange palette. And my goal for this was to use it 20 times. This is what it looks like. And in the past 2 months I have only used it 10 times, and in total I have used it 22 times. So I did reach my goal, and that makes me really happy. I really like this eyeshadow palette. The shadows are really pigmented and it doesn't have any fallout, and I just really like this palette. So yeah, I'm really happy that I have it. So I will be rolling that out as well. Okay, now the next prompt, it is Titanic, and it is a high-end drug store product, and so I got high-end. So I did bring in the Giorgio Armani lipstick, and in the past 2 months I have only used it 8 times, and my goal is to use it 10 times, and I have used it 12 times, so I definitely reached my goal. And so anyways, this is what the lipstick looks like. It's a really pretty red, and I really enjoyed using this lipstick, so I will be rolling that out since I did reach my goal. Okay, now the last prompt, it is Pogs. Product used a couple of times when first got it, but not anymore. So for that one, I did bring in the Revolution and Friends eyeshadow palettes, and my goal was to use it 5 times and I used it 8 times. Well, in the past 2 months I only used it 5 times, and in total I have used it 8 times, so that's pretty good. And this is what the palette looks like. It's really pretty. I feel like it's a really pretty spring palette. Now I'm going to be rolling this out as well. So that's 4 products that I'm going to be rolling out. These right here. So I'm going to get 4 random numbers and we'll see which other prompts I have to do. So I put 1 through 40 because there's 40 prompts. So here we go. I got 34, 11, 12, and 26. Okay, so one of the prompts is pogs and I already have pogs. So I'm going to be generating another number so I don't have pogs twice. So here we go. So I got 13. Okay, that's Titanic, so I already have Titanic. So let me go again. 23. Okay, I also have 23 and that's Goosebumps, so I'm gonna go again. 21. Okay, 21 I don't have and that is Bop It. Okay, so the 4 prompts that I got is Baby Tees, a mini product, that is prompt 34, and then I also got Clueless, and I had Clueless like in the beginning of this project pan, but I don't have Clueless right now, so I will be using that as well. And it is a product you were clueless on how to apply. And then Lion King, black owned brand, and then the last prompt is Bop It. It is a product that pumps, twists, or pulls. So I'm going to go get those products and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I already got the products, and so for Baby Tees, a mini product, I decided to bring in a liquid highlighter, and it's this Ulta liquid highlighter right here, and right now it's down to here, so it has a little bit of product in here, so I'm pretty sure I could finish this sometime this summer. So yeah, my goal is to finish the whole thing up. Okay, let's see. The next product is Clueless. So for that one, it is a product you were clueless on how to use. And so for me, it was the NYX eyeshadow base. This one right here. So when I first got this, I didn't know how to use it because this one stays kind of like wet. I don't know if that makes sense. But anyways, I'm going to be using this one from this project pan. And this one is the White Pearl eyeshadow base. And my goal for this is to use it 10 times. So I should be able to use it 10 times in the month of June. Okay, now the next prompt was Lion King, and it is a black owned brand, and I think I only have 2 black owned brands in my collection. Like I have the Fenty Beauty, but I already have it in this project pan, and the other one is Juvia's Place. So I am going to be bringing in this eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is brand new. I just got it like 2 weeks ago and I haven't been able to use it yet, and anyways, I'm excited, and my goal for this is to use it 20 times. So let me open it up right now. I haven't even opened it, you guys, so it better not be broken. I really like the packaging. It reminds me of like Tetris. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this beautiful palette, you guys. Look at all of those beautiful colors. I'm super duper excited. I can't wait to use it. My goal is to use it 20 times. I'm pretty sure I'll use it at least 10 times in the month of June. Okay, anyways, for the last prompt, Bop It. It is a product that pumps, twists, and pulls. So for that one, I'm just going to be using this Cover FX matte primer, and well, it twists. So, ta-da! Anyways, I'm going to be using this, and I think my goal for this is to use up the whole thing. I can't really tell where it is. I won't mark it right now, and hopefully next time I could mark it. But yeah. Anyways, that's all of the products that I am going to be bringing in to this project pan. Make sure to go check out my description box so you guys could see everyone else that is doing this project pan as well. And yeah, so anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.